Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to in a new class of session 2020 and 2021. I am Sir Nadeem of your social studies teacher. Hope you all fit and fine. As you know that due to corona pandemic, the whole country in a lockdown situation. Due to safety of the students' life, the schools are closed, but the academy cannot be closed. Education never be stopped. For this purpose, Kids School started their online classes. I will give you the complete schedule after that. First of all, I will feel to tell you that this is your first experience of online classes, and and I hope that you will be familiar for that soon. अच्छा, इसके बाद एक एडवाइस कह लें जो मुझे करनी है, जो स्कूल की तरफ से इंस्ट्रक्शंस भी है कि हमें कुछ, चूँकि मैंने अभी बताया कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का सिलसिला शुरू हो रहा है और तमाम स्कूलों में ऑलमोस्ट ये शुरू हो चुकी हैं, तो वहाँ पे कुछ ऐसी न्यूज़ आई कि कुछ स्टूडेंट ने जो है वो फेक आईडी बना के ग्रुप में शामिल हुए हैं या इस तरह से किसी को प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट किया है। आई होप हमारे स्कूल के स्टूडेंट तो इस तरह नहीं करेंगे, बट फिर भी हमारे स्कूल की तरफ से इंस्ट्रक्शन थे, इसलिए मैंने बता दी कि काइंडली इस तरह से कोई एक मैनिपुलेट जो है वो आईडीज को करके या नेम के साथ ना जाए, क्योंकि हम सबको पता है, आपको भी पता होगा कि इस तरह के आइडियाज को करने वाले को जो है वो ट्रेस आउट बहुत आसान हो जाता है, कोई मुश्किल नहीं है उसको ट्रेस आउट करना। ओके, अच्छा, जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस शुरू कर रहे हैं, तो ये हम सब के लिए एक नया एक्सपीरियंस है, स्टूडेंट के लिए एज वेल एज टीचर्स के लिए ऑल्सो। तो इस सिलसिले में अगर हमारी कोई लैकिंग हो तो काइंडली उसको इग्नोर कीजिएगा और कंसीडर कीजिएगा और हमें अपने फीडबैक दीजिएगा, ताकि हम जो है इसको अपने ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव करें और स्टूडेंट के लिए अच्छे से अच्छा मटेरियल और जो है प्रेजेंटेशन प्रोवाइड कर सकें। थैंक यू। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द मिड टर्म सिलेबस। द मिड टर्म सिलेबस consists of two portions. The geography portion consists the 5 chapters. Number 1, the universe. In this chapter, we will discuss about the universe, the solar system, sun and its planets. We also discuss about in this chapter the moon, the phases of moon, the lunar eclipse and the solar eclipse. The next chapter of geography portion is the earth. In this chapter we will discuss about the maps, location find with the maps, the oceans, the ocean currents, tides, waves and the uses of oceans. After that the chapter comes, in this chapter we will discuss the major climate and season of the world. The climate is such as the monsoon climate, the Mediterranean climate, the tundra climate. After that, the next chapter comes agriculture and its crops. Agriculture and its main crops. In this chapter, we will discuss about the farming, the animal farming, the horticulture, fishing. After that, we come to a next chapter, the world population. The world population, in this chapter we will discuss or we will learn about the world population, population growth in Pakistan and the problems of populations. Our geography portion is completed. Now we will discuss about the history portion. The first chapter of history portion is the concept of two-nation state. The concept of two-nation states, in this chapter we will discuss the road to independence or different personalities who played a very important role for the freedom of movement of Pakistan. Number 1, such as Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Allama Iqbal and Qaid-e-Azam. The next chapter of history portion is Pakistan chronology since 2000, since 1970 to 2008. In this chapter, we will discuss or we will learn about the political history of Pakistan year by year since 1970 to 2008 and different political personalities of our political system. The last chapter of history portion is the United Nations. In this chapter, we will discuss when the United Nations is created, what are the reason of the creation of this organization, what are the hierarchy of this organization, what are the role of this department in the world politics and different areas of humanities such as education and health and so forth.